Welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2011 Ford Expedition and I will show you where to locate the door code in case you've lost it, or maybe you never knew it, or you maybe just purchased this vehicle and the seller just didn't give you the code. This video applies to Ford Expeditions made from 2007 all the way up to 2014. To access the code you won't need any tools, but you will have to remove a couple of plastic trim panels. Okay, now first you will have to remove this plastic panel. So you can do that by just reaching all the way to the end and pulling it towards yourself. So you see there's just a couple of clips holding it. Now the next thing what you will have to do, you'll have to remove this plastic piece, which is also held only by I believe 4 or 5 metal clips. So just pull up with your hand like this to completely remove it. Okay. Okay, now we had to remove those two to get access to this panel, because this one has to be removed. Code is just behind here. Now to remove this one, first try moving this rubber off the way. Okay, so next you will see this plastic clip right here. So just push it together to release it here, and now this panel will be much more loose, and now you just want to pull it towards yourself to completely remove it. And on the back side you will see 2 clips here which go into these 2 holes. Okay, so your code will be on the back side of this fuse box on a sticker, and this is the sticker right here. You can probably see it. The only problem is that the code is on the top of this sticker, which is not really reachable. Now what you can try doing, I don't know, maybe if you can squeeze your phone somehow inside and zoom in onto that sticker, but I'm not able to do it. So best thing to do is just remove 2 screws which are holding this fuse box, and then you'll be able to move this fuse box a little and see that code. So you'll want to remove this screw right here and the one here at the bottom. It's the same one. You can see it right here. So remove those 2 screws and then you should be able to move the fuse box to get that code. And both of these screws are 7mm socket. Okay, so these are the 2 screws, and by removing them you can move this fuse box enough so you can see the code. So I will turn flash on my phone, and now I will show you where is the code. So it's right here, 15604, that's my code. You'll see it right here up in the upper left corner, those 5 digits, 15604, that's my factory code. And you will find your code at this location as well. I'm not sure why they will put it in such a stupid location, but it is what it is, and yeah, here it is. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.